Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, traction control, third-row seat, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.